How to hide or unhide comments on Instagram. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how you can hide or unhide comments on Instagram. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, hit down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's begin. First of all, what you'll have to do is open up your Instagram and then go to any post in which you have a comment in. So I'll just head over to this post and see its comments. Now if you see a comment by other, you will find a reply button and a hide button side by side right below the comment. So whichever comment that you want to hide, simply all you have to do is tap on hide and tap on OK. So do the same again and your comment will be hidden, and then you'll get this see hidden comments section. If you tap on it, you can see the hidden comments as well, and you can unhide them from there. Tap on unhide and there we go. And that's how you can hide or unhide comments on Instagram. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye bye.